I tend to overthink everything. Getting out of bed takes me 15 minutes. Starting a new project, I plan it to death and never actually start. I was basically watching my goals pass me by while I sat frozen in my own head. Then I came across this random video, Mel Robbins, the 5-second rule. At first I thought it sounded kinda dumb, to be honest, but I decided to try it anyway, and honestly it completely changed how I move through life now. The rule is this: whenever you feel an instinct to do something that matters, you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and you move. You don't wait, you don't let your brain argue, you just act. It sounds simple, and it is, but I didn't realize how often I was letting small hesitations kill my momentum. I'm an overthinker. I'm the kind of person who thinks about doing something but keeps thinking and thinking until motivation goes away and nothing gets done. So here's how I use it. When my alarm goes off in the morning, instead of laying there, I count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and I get up. When I want to record a video but don't feel like it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, camera on. Even when I want to DM someone or make a call I'm putting off, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send. It is like hacking my own brain. The science behind it is actually really cool. Our brains are wired to protect us from discomfort, so when you hesitate, your brain looks for excuses, but when you count down and move before that hesitation kicks in, you interrupt that pattern. I've been using this rule for weeks now, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's made me 10x. Actually, this along with the $5 tool that I mentioned in the previous video have made me 31x more productive. I don't wait around anymore, I start, I move, I finish. And weirdly, I feel calmer because I'm not stuck in that mental war of should I, shouldn't I all the time. So if you're procrastinating on something right now, try it. Do you need to make your bed? Count down. Do you need to start a new project? Count down. Next time you feel that hesitation creep in, just count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It works, and it might just change your life the way it changed mine. So, if you're hesitating to leave a comment or subscribe, just count down and do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, goodbye.